be able to fight bad government, corrupt leaders, and want to go and fight Niger. To I beg that Allah, please just leave. Can you just stop this thing you are doing? Let's not take it like a joke. Oh. You want to invade Niger that have signed treaty with Wagner? Hey, la ilah. Who is advising this man? Who is advising you? Oh, they are telling you that Abi is Asari Dokubo that is advising him that they are ready to enter Niger. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please share this video for Tinubu to see it. It's very important. I have a message for him. Share the video, follow the page. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, yesterday I did a video talking about why I was angry in the video. I was angry that people in Niger took your picture and they were insulting you. And I said in the video that nobody have the right to insult the president in another country, that democratically in Nigeria, yes, they can insult and do anything, no problem. But for another country to come and be insulting our president is what we will not take. That is what I said yesterday. Now, you need to see what they did to me online. They almost naked me in the comment section because of you. They almost naked me in the comment section. In fact, they almost tear my clothes. One thing you need to know is that in my comment section, the thing I cannot take away from them, I have a lot of people that are intellectual in my comment section. Very, very brilliant people in my comment section. You need to see what one guy settled down and type on my comment section about you. The guy referred to, let me keep my bag that I want to use to run before I say this thing. The guy referred to the statement you made, that you said the election, you take it, you snatch it, take it by force. That thing you said, the guy referred me back to that thing you said alone warrants that they should even say you did not win this election. That is what they said. Oh. Now, for issues like this, I blame even what is happening in Niger. If I want to blame anybody, I won't blame Niger people. I will blame the African leaders. I will even blame the ECOWAS. Yes, do you know why? Because if you are a presidential candidate and you want to contest election, and you know that you have people, what are you supposed to do? Sit down, believe in your pants that they will vote for you. Let everybody that is contesting sit down and wait for their pants to vote for them. And I also blame the African citizens for how our elections are being run. Yes, you that you are supporting this party, you that you are supporting this party, why don't this party allow this party to go and vote for who they want? Why must you go and manipulate somebody to vote for your candidate by force? You threaten somebody that the person must vote for who you want him to vote for. Automatically, the election is not credible. We experienced that in this last election, whereby some people are manipulating people to vote for. In fact, people came out and even says that if you don't vote for this person, just pack your load and leave this area. Just know that we will make it unbearable for you. Things like that happened in this last election. And when something like this happened, even INEC did their own in the last election. When all these things happen, couple them together, and you won, people will now say that the mandate is not your own. That is what they will say. You don't have to blame them. You don't have to say, why will you say that? It is because of what you have done, what you allow. It's why people will say that you are not the president. That's why people are saying, it's not my president. It's not my own. Because yesterday I did a video and I say, why would they insult our president? People are angry with me. So why will I call you our president? That is my president. that should not involve them. Majority of the comment section rejected you as their president. It is wrong because of what we allow in elections. Yes, because of what we allow. Because of what we allow. If the day we start to make elections credible in our countries, that and elect the right people that won legitimately, that is when we will stop having problems in Africa. Go and see how they do elections in Europe, America, and the rest of them. They don't fight. We our own fight. You do this one. You snatch ballot box. You how about that? Allah, it's enough much for somebody to even doubt your candidacy, man. Your how would I even call it? So you won't blame them. In my comment section, I have a lot of brilliant people. They are very brilliant in my comment section. In my comment section, I have a lot of brilliant people, people that know what they are saying, not dumb people. Like one guy that is saying that this Niger update, we are tired. It's done. I beg, leave us to rest. You, I don't blame you. It's because you are getting the news for free. That is why you are talking. Don't you know that I have people that are living in Germany, Spain, Belgium, United States, Canada, that are watching my videos, and it's my videos that is giving them updates. They are sending me message on WhatsApp telling me, man, thank you for the news. We are waiting for the next video. Thank you so much. I like what you are doing. You are here telling me that you don't tire for the news. I don't blame you now. It's because you are not living close to Niger. You are taking the matter lightly. You don't know that this matter is a very serious matter. For people that are living close to Niger, you are here telling me, I don't blame you. Let me even talk to Tinubu. I heard that you sent a letter to Senate seeking approval that they should give you approval to invade Niger. I want to beg you, Allah Tinubu, I beg you, don't do it. Did you hear what Vladimir Putin said? Let us not go and stay and Putin will go and put something in our body. I beg you, Allah, please. Did you not hear that Putin is saying that any invasion on Niger will not be allowed? I mean, you didn't hear it. Don't follow France and be doing that thing that they are doing. That France is saying only legitimate elected government has the right to cut ties with them. Fine, you have closed the border. Custom has closed the border that is with Niger. Fine, I appreciate. But this one that you want to invade Niger, I don't support it. I heard yesterday, I read in the news yesterday that Niger has signed a treaty with Wagner Group. That Russian man. That one don't know anything apart from war. That one his food is to fight. I am begging you, Tinubu, Allah, please don't do this. We are living close to Niger. Did you watch the video of the armies that they are assembling in Niger? I beg, let me even see if I have carried all my loads. I beg, let me carry what can enable me to run. That we are in this country, have we not have insecurities? Have they been able to fight the insecurities that we are having in the country? Have we been able to fight the hunger that poor subsidy has brought? Have we been able to fight unemployment? Have we been able to fight the health sector that is going down in the country? Have we been able to fight the poor education? Have we been able to fight bad government, corrupt leaders, and we want to go and fight Niger? I beg that Allah, please, just leave. Can you just stop this thing you are doing? Let's not take it like a joke. You want to invade Niger that have signed treaty with Wagner? Hey, la ilaha. Who is advising this man? Who is advising you? They are telling you that it's Asari Dokubo that is advising him that they are ready to enter Niger.
70 years old.
Is it Asari Dokubo? Who is advising you, Tinubu? Don't listen, no. Ah, if you start, see, they are waiting, oh. China and the rest will join, oh. Ah, they are waiting, oh. Don't agree. Can you people see? Share this video. Let Tinubu see it. We, the citizens, we are not in support of any fight. Ha! I've talked my own, no. Tinubu, whoever is advising you, then listen, no. Do not listen to the person, no. La 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 la. You are telling Senate to allow you to approve, but people, did you not see video of the people in Niger praying? Large amount of crowd gathered in the middle of the country praying for a successful war. Hey! Okay? Did you not see the people of Niger? The large crowds are gathered and they are praying for the success in case ECOWAS invade. I mean, you didn't hear that Burkina Faso have resumed a partnership talk with North Korea. Come, how are you saying this thing? There are people that are waiting, oh. They are waiting, oh. Don't even try it. Do not put your hand. This is what they say they want. Now people in Niger say they want it now. Even this Burkina Faso man is the one that is even making me to laugh. He went to Russia to meet Putin, and he told Putin that he wants Putin to give him a nuclear plant. Putin even look at him and laugh and say, "Look at this one. I should give you nuclear plant." Putin just signed a grain of 10,000 and say, "Baba, you need to go and eat. Take food first before you go and ask for nuclear plant." They don't. These people don't even know what is wrong. What they are putting their hands, and we are even playing along. Leave them, oh, so that we will just be on our own. Don't put your mouth. Don't allow this thing to tempt you. Don't allow, please, Tinubu, don't allow. Me, I've just packed my things. Let me look for somewhere to enter. This one will be enough. Even as I'm trying to talk and say we should not put mouth, I'm warning every day. I will keep bringing you updates of this Niger matter. Share the video, let people see it. Follow my page for more updates. I am breaking down the news for you. Oh. Share the video, let Tinubu see it. I'll pack my things because people will say I don't have sense. I don't have sense, so that's why I'm packing. But I'm the spice creator. This one is not something you argue. It's my title. I am leaving the country. Let me go and find somewhere to go and hide. This one is not a matter of Google me. Don't Google me, I beg.